sexy smile, looking for to see you. I hope I will lose control. Love you every night, not checking the time, just I'm letting you.
Hello my lovely, gorgeous, beautiful friends, it's Odette. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in today. And I also want to say welcome to my new subscribers. I see a lot of new faces in my comment section. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel, and thank you so much for watching today. And don't forget to keep your notifications on and thumbs up this video as we go along. I do a series of different things on this channel, mostly skincare. Okay, my website is called sassyover55.com. The link is in the description box for you guys. You know, you can make your comments on skincare or whatever you want. Put something in the chat. It really doesn't matter. As long as I have that communication with you guys, it's absolutely amazing. So thank you guys for all of your support. I do appreciate it. Okay. So in today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing. This company, Fytoo, which is an online glasses company, they reached out to me and asked if I can do a review on their glasses. They were wondering what my prescription strength was, but I have no idea what that was. But I do a lot of reading, so I said just send me some reading glasses, and we're going to be doing this unboxing today. So we are going to see what's inside of this box. So it hasn't been opened, so we are just going to open this today. I've been seeing a lot of amazing reviews on this company on Instagram and also on YouTube. And of course, like I said, we're just going to unbox together. So I've opened up the box, and this is what I see on the inside. They just sent the glasses, and they are reading glasses, and they did have the strength on this piece of receipt. And this is one of the glasses right here. It's a beautiful little case. So we're just going to open up this one today, and we're going to see what this one looks like. And again, these are reading glasses. Oh my God. Well, this is quite pretty. So this is one of them. Let me just pull this out. They are quite cute. Oh, there was some plastic around. I don't want to have to break it. Oh my Lord. So this is one of them right here. And I love that little orangey detail. It's almost like an animal print. So we're just going to put this on right now, and I'm going to look at myself in the mirror. Oh my God. This is amazing. Let me just, oh my goodness. This is an amazing reading glasses. Immediately I can see exactly what's on this piece of paper. This one is quite cute. You might be seeing my ring light glare in the reflection of the glasses, but that's okay. This one is very, very, very pretty. So cute. And again, love that orange detail right there. Very funky. It's really awesome. You know, you have beautiful, clean skin, gorgeous, funky looking glasses. Amazing. This is very, very pretty. Very, very comfortable on the face. Really nice. I'm wearing my lashes today, and they didn't even touch the frames. This is quite cute. Oh my God. Love that. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, I have 4 of them. Okay, so this is the first one. And all of them are wrapped individually in cases. And so we are going to take out the second one. And this one is very clear. And there we go. They're all very, very nice. So we're just going to remove the plastic. And we are going to put this one on. Oh my Lord. Again, I can see everything, even from a distance. Quite cute. This one is nice and plain. Love that. Very, very comfortable on the face. Doesn't affect my my lashes at all. Quite cute. I absolutely love that. Oh my God, that's amazing. Very pretty. Wow, thank you so much, Fytoo, for reaching out to me. I really do appreciate it. So this is the second one. Let's see what else we got in the box. So we're just gonna open up the second one here. Ah, and this one obviously is a black frame. Oh my God, this one is very sexy, I can tell. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Very pretty. This is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my God. Reading glasses, the style is absolutely fantastic. Fits comfortable on my face, fits comfortable around the nose. Very, very, very pretty. Are you guys seeing this? It's quite cute. Absolutely love that. Wow. And they actually picked some gorgeous frames for me, which is really, really nice because I didn't have to pick the frames online. So we do have the last one here. They did send 4 of them. And again, they are reading glasses. And oh my God, look at this one. Oh my goodness. And of course, if there's a code, I'm going to leave it in the description box for you guys. I'm going to have to check my email on that. This one is absolutely stunning. Oh, Heavenly Father. This is good. Where is that piece of paper? And again, immediately I can see clearly with these glasses. They are absolutely stunning. Oh my God. And these glasses fit comfortably on my nose, comfortably around my ear. I am wearing my lashes today. They aren't even touching the lenses of these glasses. They are absolutely sweet. They're very, very beautiful. I love them. Absolutely gorgeous. And there are 4 of them. And again, I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys. And they just sent along maybe like some information sheet right here. And of course, you do have the little packaging to clean your glasses. And this is obviously the like a little measuring tape. So you can measure your eyes if you want to order your glasses, online. And of course, in this little kit, you do have a couple of, I think 1 tool. For example, if your glasses is getting a little loose, you can tighten it. And of course, you do have the little cloth so you can clean your glasses. They are quite cute. And again, let me just see here. And I think Better Glasses, Clearer World. And so yes, I have a $10 off coupon code for you guys. It's going to be down in the description box for you if you want to make an order. I'm going to leave the code for you. No commission to me. It's just you guys are going to get $10 off your order. This is the card right here. I'm going to link everything in the description box for you guys. Again, thank you, Fytoo, for reaching out to me. They've sent 4 beautiful, gorgeous pair of reading glasses individually in their little packaging. Really cute. I absolutely love them. I'm going to leave all of the details for this beautiful, amazing company. It's an eyewear company online in the description box for you guys. As long as you know your prescription strength, you just let them know. You know your reading glass strength, let them know as well, and they will send along your glasses for you. Again, thank you so much, Fytoo, for reaching out. And again, all of the details will be down in the description box for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Odette. I do hope you enjoyed today's video, and I shall see you guys next time. Bye.